Carla Satchell busily continues her work in a laboratory in downtown Chicago. A professor in microbiology immunology at Northwestern University Feinberg School of Medicine, the focus for her and her team is to find a way to stop COVID-19, the coronavirus that has now killed more than 2,000 people. What has astonished her, though, has been the global sharing of information by other scientists working on the virus.
While there's a lot of competition going on because everybody sort of wants to get there first, it's the first to share as fast as possible, which has never before been seen. So I, for one, think it's a great win for the sharing community and hope that it's held up as an example of what scientists should be doing on an everyday basis.
Satchell leads the Center for Structural Genomics of Infectious Diseases, a consortium of 9 labs at 8 schools. They are currently studying the structure of the virus, mapping out the proteins, with the aim of finding a weak spot where medicine could then intervene. Chicago was one of the first US cities to report a case of COVID-19 back in January. The city was also the location for the first confirmed person-to-person transmission in the US. But both have recovered. There have been no further cases, and concerns about the virus here have gone down. But the global risk remains high, as proven by new cases outside of China, in Asia, Europe and the Middle East. And that puts further emphasis on the importance of the work of scientists.
There is a concern, I think, that WHO is looking at it maybe with us for a long time. And that, I think, gives more emphasis to what we're doing, which is this is likely to persist in the timeline that it will take to develop a vaccine and it will take to discover a new drug.
A further negative is the misinformation that has been spread about the virus. Even erroneous reports that claim COVID-19 was bioengineered by Chinese scientists, reports not based on science.
There was ideas that were put out there that this might have been bioengineered. And that was used for discrimination purposes. And this is something that people are doing to drive racism and discrimination. The scientists have disproven those over and over and over again. You're still hearing it, for example, on the news, even though scientists have disproven it completely. And I think that it's very important to know that this did emerge naturally.
For scientists, there is still a great deal of work ahead in the race to stop COVID-19. A shared purpose is helping all of them speed the journey. Dan Williams, CGTN, Chicago.